Alright, the video that I'm about to do is a video of my Smith & Wesson 40, which is sw40ve, and it's a really good gun. I'm going to demonstrate how to take it apart, how to put it back together, and just show you the video, show you the gun. Here's the gun. Just so you know it's real. I seen one that was a airsoft gun, and it looked just like the real thing. First, what you gotta do is there's this thing right here. You gotta pull down, pull it back, cock it, pull it off. And if you want to take it further, take the thing off. Alright. I would show you how to take the firing pin out, but it's too hard. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it back together. There to pop. Well, that's pretty much it.